Standard 7 Mathematics Part 1 Chapter 1 Geometrical Constructions. Let's recall. In previous classes, we have learnt about the line, line segment, angle, angle bisector, etc. We measure an angle in degrees. If angle ABC measures 40 degree, we write it as measure angle ABC is equals to 40 degree. Angle bisector. You see the figure of angle ABC alongside. An angle bisector divides an angle into two equal parts. Is ray BM the bisector of angle ABC? Yes. Perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Draw a line segment PS of length 4 cm and draw its perpendicular bisector. Name it line CD. How will you verify that CD is the perpendicular bisector? With the help of protractor. Measure angle CMS is equals to 90 degree. Is length of PM is equals to length of SM? Yes, equal. Let's learn the property of the angle bisector of a triangle. Activity. First, draw any triangle PQR. Second, use a compass to draw the bisector of all three of its angles. Extend the bisectors if necessary so that they intersect one another. Third, these three bisectors pass through the same point, that is, they are concurrent. Name the point of concurrence I. Note that the point of concurrence of an angle bisectors of a triangle is in the interior of a triangle. Fourth, draw perpendiculars IA, IB and IC respectively from I on the sides of the triangle PQ, QR and PR. Measure the lengths of these perpendiculars. Note that IA is equals to IB is equals to IC.